Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make a special video review about the laptop that I have been using for my college life and also for my daily activities. This is the laptop that has been with me for quite a long time, around 1 year now. I bought it after I graduated from high school, and until today it's still working really well. So the laptop I'm using is an Asus VivoBook silver color, and honestly it has been one of the best tools that helps me in my studies and project. In this review I want to share my experience after using it for 1 full year, including the performance, the specification, and what I like, and also a little bit about what could be improved. I hope this review can help anyone who is looking for a laptop for studying or general use. So let me introduce the laptop. This is an Asus VivoBook X1404ZA, and you can see the specification from the picture earlier. The laptop has a 20 Gen Intel Core i5 1 2 3 i5 and Gen 12 processor, 8 GB of RAM, and runs Windows 11 home single language. It also supports DirectX 12, which is good for graphics performance, and the color is silver, which looks very clean and professional. And after using it for 1 year, the body still looks good. Okay, looks good, and not easily scratched. The weight is also quite light, making it nice to bring to campus or when I am traveling. Now let's talk about performance, because this is the most important part. The Intel Core i5 processor is actually really powerful for a student laptop. It has multiple cores and handle multitasking smoothly. I usually open many apps at the same, like Chrome with many tabs, Word, VS Code, Zoom, and sometimes even editing tools, and the laptop still performs well. The 8 GB RAM is enough for studying, programming, and typing modules. Of course, more RAM is always better, but for normal college activity, 8 GB is still okay. Even when I work on my final project or Word modules with many pages, it still runs smoothly. So after 1 year of using it, I can say that the performance is still stable and reliable. I mainly use this laptop for my college activity, especially doing IT projects, writing modules, making assessment, watching lectures and videos, coding, using Laravel, PHP, JavaScript, and others, editing documents, and creating presentation slides. For all those tasks, this laptop handles everything well. Okay, and when I do programming, especially using Laravel for my final project, The performance is still good. Running local host servers, database tools, and code editors like VS Code doesn't cause lag. I also use the laptop for writing a lot of module content, and the keyboard feels comfortable to type, to type, to type, to type on, which is really important for long writing session. Yes. And the battery is still good even after 1 year. Of course, it's not as strong as when it was brand new, but I can still use it for about 3 or until for 5 hours depending on what I'm doing. For normal typing and browsing, the battery lasts longer. For coding or video calls, it drains faster. But overall, for laptop that has been used daily for a year, the battery performance is still acceptable. One thing I really like about this laptop is the design. The silver color makes it look modern and simple. It's not too flashy, but still stylish. The body is slim. Okay, and lightweight, so it's easy to carry on my backpack. The build quality is also good. I have been using it almost every day, carrying it around, opening and closing it many times, and the hang is still strong. No cracks, no problem. The display quality is decent, not super high, and but good enough for studying, watching movie, or online classes. The brightness is okay for indoor use. The speakers are also alright, not super loud but clear enough for Zoom classes and watching videos. The keyboard is comfortable. Yes, like this. Which is important because I type a lot of for assessment and writing modules. After 1 year, the key still feel nice and responsive. Okay, stability, because the laptop uses Windows 11, the system is smooth and updated. Even after many updates, it still works well. It doesn't crash or freeze often, which is very important for college students. I use it for many tasks, from simple homework to writing long modules, and it continues to work well without big problems. After using this laptop for a year, here are the things I really like. One is good performance for programming and daily tasks, and two, lightweight is and easy to carry. Three, clean and elegant silver design. Four, reliable for assessment and long project. 5, good keyboard for typing. 6, affordable price for an E5 laptop. Still function well after heavy use. And of course, no device is perfect. Here are a few small downsides. RAM is only 8 GB. More would be better for heavy apps. 2, battery life is average. 3, speakers could be louder. 4, not for heavy gaming or high-end editing, but for the price and purpose, there are not big problems. So that's my full review of my Asus laptop. I hope this video helps you understand how the laptop performs after 1 year of real use. Okay, thank you for watching and see you in the next vlog. Bye bye.